Alright, welcome back to Straight Yard TV, guys. Today we're gonna do some oxtail, okay? With some broad beans. A lot of people call it butter beans. Alright? So this is the oxtail. We're gonna clean it up a little bit, wash him off, season him up, and then we start the cooking. Okay, guys? So remember, Straight Yard TV, watch this video. Alright, so we chew out this water, you know. This water already have a little vinegar in it, guys. Soak in the oxtail. So, you know, clean him off a little better. Get off in a little thing on him. Now I'm gonna drop a little bit of lime juice and rinse him off. Yeah. Alright. So just run through him, guys, and then we're going to see if anything we want to clean off of him. We don't have to run through meat. Then when we have clean meat, we have to clean meat and make sure we meat them clean nice and properly. And no little fat or no little something in the pan where we don't want for the pan. You understand, guys? So we're going to do a run through it properly. Not too bad, not too heap fat and stuff like that. But we still need to look and go through them, you know. Make sure for them ready. That means a man like clean the meat properly, guys. And make sure say no little something in the pan where we don't want pan. No fat, no this, no that. All I'm telling you guys, remember to clean your meat. Clean your meat properly before you're in. Start season up and start to cook. Just clean your meat. Guys, the meat has to clean properly, guys. Alright? So, and sometimes you have to take off the excess fat, but these ones don't have no fat like that. These ones are pretty good. Some of them, when you get them from the store, they're full of fat like all these fat. You cut them off, guys. A lot of people like the fat, they don't like the fat. So, that's basically what I'm doing right now. Taking off some of the fat, then I'm cleaning them up properly. Run through him. Make sure he's good to go. Okay, guys, stick tune and stay. For the one I'm going to be a banger. For all the oxtail lovers who want to learn to cook oxtail, watch this video. I'm going to give you from scratch. And if you don't understand scratch, it means from start to finish. Alright, guys, so we're some. Make sure you oxtail them and clean them up, you know. Take off some little stuff them you don't want from it. Okay, when you get your meat from the store, guys, go through them and clean them up properly. First, I just have them in some vinegar soak off. Clean them up. Now we have little lime juice now. Fine tune them up. You know, like fat them and everything there, you know. Let's get them off. And guys, always use a cutting board, don't follow me. Use a cutting board if you can't handle a knife, because my knife is very sharp. Now watch what I want, peeps. Alright. Now we can throw out this water. And then wash again. See me? Yeah, guys, this is supposed to be nice and well clean. Well nice and clean. You see me? And oxtail I go short. Alright. Clean up the sink, you know, the cook clean now, guys, you know. Keep a lot of stuff back up on we and pile up on we. As we cook, clean. That's how we do it. Alright, so this ready, I know if you season up, guys. So So we get all of the water out of the pan. Don't need no water in the pan. Only meat. Only meat, guys. Only meat. Yeah. Then go back. Okay, that run. I'm gonna catch you. Alright. Then nice and clean. Well clean. Yes guys, nice oxtail in there. Then we have a match up some oxtail guys. Alright guys, so we have to do some seasoning you know. Alright guys, so here we have some all-purpose easy spice seasoning. So I'm gonna drop some of this on it. Here we have some Maggi, great Maggi. This is an all-purpose also guys. And everybody can use the seasoning of their choice, guys, what you want to put on your meat. But I'm showing you the real authentic Jamaican style. Okay, guys. Drop a little cayenne pepper on him. I don't use a lot of seasoning, you know, guys. I use more earthy seasoning. Little garlic powder. That good. Little black pepper. Not a lot, guys. I don't use a lot of black pepper too. Alright, so basically that's how we are dealing with it now. So we have to rub the meat now. Rub the meat, guys. Yes, rub the meat. Rubbing the seasoning. See? That's how it look. Drop a little bit more of them. Spice and purpose upon it. Nice. Good. Alright guys. Alright guys, I have a good old Scotch bonnet pepper here. It's very strong. Wow, I'm not gonna put the seed in it guys because pepper is very strong. Homegrown from the farm guys. I plant this pepper. I plant them in the yard here guys. You can't use too much of this pepper. This pepper is very strong. Strong, so I'm not gonna use all of it. Get my onion clean up, guys. Now it's go already. You have to have a good old onion there. Kick up the flavor in the meat. Garlic, guys. Garlic make the meat cook fast, guys. Tenderize it and make it cook fast. So you know the garlic have to in it. Natural garlic, you know. Even though we use a little garlic powder, but no watch that. Some natural garlic here, you know, guys. Alright guys, so we are going with the garlic you know. Put the garlic and cut up nice and neat in him. The garlic. Not already. Garlic in a pot. For meat. Alright. We are going with scallion, guys. A lot of people call it green onion. Now we are going with scallion, guys. See them there? Nice. Clean out everything. Wash. Cutting up right away in the pan. Okay. Going with the onion, guys. Guys, remember, if you want to use a cutting board, you can, but I'm a professional knife, so I don't have to use a cutting board. But if you don't want to cut your finger, guys, make sure you use a cutting board. Alright, so piece of onion. Okay, I need up to time. I'm gonna go to the garden for a piece of thyme. Add it later on. Add a piece of ginger. You know him. Some ginger here, guys. See that? Real ginger. There I go. Clean up the ginger. Scrape off this skin. Guys, well clean, so we cut them up tonight. It's a season to, you know, guys, and a good antibiotic, this, you know, guys. Good health benefit this ginger has, guys. So you don't need more than that, like a piece in him, guys. Then we're gonna drop a little browning. Okay, guys, browning. A lot of people can use Chinese sauce. They use all kind of different sauce, but little browning may work good today, guys. I'll show you a real way. And I don't want a lot. Because I don't want my oxtail to black. I want my oxtail to brown, not black. See, a lot of people oxtail black. Can't eat black meat. Spoiled browning, man. You put too much browning in it, guys, it will be bitter too. You have to know to use browning. Just for color, guys. See? Nice and brown. That is it. See? Now I'm going to cover him up and let him marinate for a little bit, guys. So, remember to watch this video, guys. Real nice and sweet. When you eat this oxtail, you're going to ask for more. Alright, so we're going to cover him up now. Let him marinate a little bit, guys, right there, like that. Yeah, put it down on the table. Can go and soak. Keep marinate, so guys. So, guys, remember to love each other. Share what you have. Don't keep it for yourself. And move along. Straight yard. Up and running. One love. Alright, people, so, like we say, oxtail season and soak already. Let's start this one cooking now. I don't want to heap of oil either, just a little bit in the pot, you know. Okay, not a lot. Alright, no problem. Let's do 2 of 1 each. Oil. It's a flavor. Alright. Garlic one burn a little bit, you know. Then I'm dropping the oxtail, you know. You want to cook. Yeah. Right there. Alright, now people, so see oxtail, yeah? I put them in a pot and now. Alright. See you now. Yeah. Close. Okay. See you then. Cover him up now. Make him go and build his own water and go and do his own thing for a while. And then I'm going to add some water to him, just a little bit. Make him go and cook. That's what I'm going to say. So, stay tuned and watch what I'm going. Watch the video, people. Watch the video. Alright, people. Let me give you the next check out now. See what I'm going with. Understand? See? Building own water and everything already. I know you know people, I add no water to it yet. No water at all add to the pot. Watch it. Build a lot of gravy already. I cook. Matter of fact, it just cook by itself. See? Some style. Alright. Take time to go and cook same way, you know? Alright, keep taking time, go and cook same way, you know. Some give my next check again and then we'll add little water like when we're ready if we need it. But for right now, we're going to keep take time, go and cook in our own water. I understand. So, we'll check in back on it later on, people. Stay tuned. No water, no add to the pot around here. So, I'm building one gravy and I cook nicely, slowly. Yeah, very nice, people. The oxtail very nice. Well, okay, my peeps. So, yeah, see now, finish. Fire have to turn off now. Pot done cook. Done cook, my peeps. See, eh? Nice. Ready to go. So here we are going now. Taste a little bit now. Later on. Mash up some more. No, it go already, peeps. See that? See that? Ready, peeps. Ready. Nice and soft. That's what I talk about. That is it. That mean pot don't cook. Alright.